Hi everyone, before we get started with the video, I'd like to tell you a bit about us. We're a family owned and run Thai halal restaurant in West London that's been operating for 25 years. Over those years, many customers have requested that we run Thai cookery courses. This is difficult to run in a small busy restaurant, so we thought this channel could be the answer. So every Friday we'll be uploading a new video. There'll be vegan and gluten-free options, and we'll also be showcasing some of the more unusual dishes that Thailand has to offer. Enjoy the video and please let us know if you have any requests, feedback or questions. And now it's over to Pi Tou.
I want to make Som Tum carrot. Yeah, at the moment we cannot get the papaya. And the ingredient, yeah, right in front of me, like lemon, peanut, chili and garlic, tomato, palm sugar, shrimp paste, and fish sauce. Right. Okay, right. Now we start to make Som Tum carrot. Right now. First, we put the garlic, this much, and chili, this one, for the people who can handle a little bit hot, right? And then we put dried shrimp. And then peanut, this amount, and then palm sugar, this amount, a little bit more, and then lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons. And then fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. And then tomato, last is put carrot. That's it. Then we put in. Now you can try at home. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. See you next time.
Okay guys, for a final thought, you could use any fruit for this. We've tried cucumber, apple, especially Granny Smith's, hard, crunchy and sour. Experiment with different fruits and let us know in the comments how you get on. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.